One thing we see is that when a company wants to increase sales, their fail method is to hire more sales reps, more feet on the street to go sell. And the question I ask them, how's the first rep doing? Is the first rep so busy, so chock full of opportunities that they can't handle anymore? Until they're crying uncle, do not add another sales rep. What you need to do is feed that rep. So I'll use the analogy of a mother bird, right, who comes to the nest and all the little birds are sitting with their mouth open for the mother to put the worms in. That's what marketing has to be to the sales team. Sales can't do it themselves anymore. They used to, but with the digital shift and the ability of prospects and customers to educate themselves, the whole marketing process, the digital demand creation process is critical. So don't hire another rep until you've created enough opportunities to make that rep cry uncle.